Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that, right hand side this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card, AORUS GeForce RTX 2080 Super 8G, and then hit enter. Then click on the product, then click on title, name of the title. After it, open new tab, then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10 and 11. So all the operating system driver download and installations process same. So this is your driver and you can see this is version and with size and release date also, and this is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in new tab and it is completed. Now you can see it is start and it will complete, and then click on three dot in the corner and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.